Hi, I'm Natalie and I'm interior designer. Here are my quick and simple tips for styling a coffee table. I really like to start with a tray. It creates a defined space and makes tidying up super easy. Next, I think about the things my family and I use the most in this space. Things like remote controls and my boyfriend's gaming accessories. They're useful, but not that nice looking. So let's hide them away in a small box. I like to continue building upward, adding a vase with flowers, candles, and other things that create a sense of height. The bonus is that flowers are also a great way to refresh the space, while candles set the mood for a movie night. Now it's time to add those personal touches. Smaller pieces that you picked up along your travels or just love the look of and want to display. Build outwards and group them together for a cohesive feeling. Lastly, move the tray a bit off center. It will leave you with more useful space for everyday activities. Things like afternoon tea, magazines, and let's face it, your feet. Remember, don't put your lit candles too close to other items. Once you got these tips down, it's easy to change the style of your coffee table.